Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make these beautiful cloud earrings using polymer clay. Let's start. The first step is to make the cloud. Take a ball of white clay and flatten it out evenly. After that, place a cloud drawing onto the clay and use a dotting tool to trace the shape out. Next, cut it with an X-Acto knife. Take your time and cut it slowly. After you have your cloud shape, use a silicone tip brush to blend and smoothen the sides of the cloud. And your cloud shape is done. Moving on, roll some blue clay into a cylinder and cut 3 even pieces out. Roll it into a bowl and pinch one side of it to make it a teardrop shape. Flatten it out, and you got yourself a teardrop as the rain. Now repeat for the other two as well. Before baking, I like to clean my clay pieces first with some rubbing alcohol. It helps to remove any dust and fingerprints. When my clay pieces are all clean, it is ready to be baked. I bake my clay pieces at 130 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Time to make our own silicone mold for our cloud earring. Use tape to stick your cloud and rain on a flat surface. And then get a cookie cutter to be used as a border for your mold, like this. Here is the mold maker I'm using, and it requires an equal amount of part A and part B. Mix it slowly to avoid any air bubbles. You don't want to have any air bubbles in your mold, so pour the mixture in little by little to avoid creating air bubbles. Remove the clay pieces and you got yourself a silicone mold. Now you can make as many cloud earrings as you like, and it will be identical. Making your own silicone mold is the perfect way to get a lot of cloud earrings, and you want it to be identical. As you can see, the left one are made from the mold and it is completely same as the right one. Now let me show you how I make marble clouds using this mold. To get the marble effect, I mix in blue, white and pearl clay together. Mix it slowly because you don't want the clay to be mixed in completely. After I have the marble effect that I like, I just press the clay into the mold. And that's it, it's so easy. I just make another cloud. When you're happy with your clouds, bake your clay pieces and assemble it together to make it into an earring. You can make it into a necklace as well. You can make any shape of clouds that you like and just be creative with it. Most importantly is to have fun. I hope you do give this DIY a try as well, and if you like it, please do give me a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. Bye bye!